Just made it to Ronald's. So fucking excited. I say that about everything. But like the food looks really good, like it does everywhere that we're going.
And it's donuts, so it's like,
Oh my god.
where can you find amazing vegan donuts? Like,
Ronald's.
not many places, but here we are in Vegas. You can find it.
Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
We have, I don't even know how many donuts we got. Oh my god. These are the huge ass donuts.
Those are fucking huge.
And then we got, I think, 2 or 3 regular size ones
Yeah.
and a dozen donut holes.
'Cause
So we
need
are
a dozen donut hole.
we are rich on donuts for sure.
Abundance, baby.
And I love, yes, abundance. I haven't had a donut hole in like 16, 17 years because I've been vegan for 16 years and I've like never run across a vegan donut hole. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's really good. That's fucking delicious.
I fucking love donuts.
Wow.
These are gonna be gone soon.